Hey guys, it's Ron, the Credit Don, and we're back with another 3-minute video tip. So let's get straight into it. Today, we're going to be talking about the 4 questions to ask your mortgage lender. All right. Many of you guys are using your stimulus check or your tax refund check in order to be able to move forward with pursuing the goal of purchasing a new home. All right. Which is one of the best decisions that you can make personally and financially. All right. So we want to be able to offer some help and some guidance to be able to help you guys move forward in that process to make it a very smooth and easy process for you and your family. All right. So let's get into it. The first question that you want to ask your loan lender, your mortgage loan officer or lender rather, is what types of loans do they offer? All right. What types of loans do they offer? You want to ask if they offer a USDA loan if you're in a rural area. All right. That's 100% finance loan. If you're a veteran and you've served in any branch of our military, you want to ask if they offer VA loans. All right. They offer FHA loans or conventional loans. All right. This is important because you're only going to be presented the types of loans that the mortgage lender offers. All right. That does not mean that's the best loan that's suitable for you and your family. All right. So you want to ask what types of loans do they offer? The second question you want to ask is this a fixed rate or is it an adjustable rate? All right. This is important, guys. Is this going to be a fixed interest rate or is it going to be an adjustable rate mortgage? All right. A fixed interest rate means that you have an interest rate that is locked in for the length of the time of the loan and they will never change. All right. An adjustable rate mortgage is exactly that. That rate can adjust based on the economy, based on the current interest rates of that time. So that means right now you can have a 3.5 rate, but 2 years from now that can move to a 5.75 rate. All right. So that's definitely important. You want to know that. You want to get it in writing as well. All right. The third term is how long does it take to close? All right. How long does it take to close the loan? All right, this is important because you could be dealing with a company that is pretty much giving you a great loan type, right? Giving you a really good interest rate, but they may take a long time period to close on that loan. All right. I think Fannie Mae right now is up to like 47 days to close a loan. So that's a month and a half. You want to be able to prepare for that time period when you're going to be moving out of a living situation into your new home. All right. You want to take all that into consideration. So you want to ask, hey, I love what you're presenting. When you've gotten to this step, right, you like the loan type, you see that it's a fixed rate. But how long is it going to take this thing to close? All right. So that's important. All right. The fourth question that you want to ask is, what are the closing costs? All right. What are the closing costs? Now, to many people, that can mean different things. All right. That can mean how much I'm actually paying out of pocket. Or that could mean the actual amount that I'm being charged to close this loan. All right. So some lenders will roll the closing costs into the loan. That means that you may not have to pay the full amount of the closing costs. So they may say, hey, your closing costs are $8,000, but you're only going to be required to bring $2,000 to the closing table. All right. And they're going to roll that $6,000 on top of the balance of the actual mortgage loan. All right. So this is important because a lot of lenders may offer way more expensive mortgage loans when it comes down to what they're actually charging you for the loan. And so that's important. You want to get that in writing as well. You want to be able to compare apples to apples from one lender to another when you're discussing exactly what that loan's going to look like. Because guys, this is a 30-year loan for the majority of you guys that are applying for a mortgage. So if you're going to be closing on a home, you want to know exactly what you're getting yourself into from now into the future, you know, so that's important. So write these things down, guys. These things are definitely important when you're moving towards applying for your new home. I wish you guys the best. If you have any questions about the process of the mortgage loan, or you have any questions about your credit, and if you're going to be able to get approved for that mortgage loan, give us a call here at Complete and Total Care. Our number is 877-215-4882. Also, follow us on Instagram at Complete and Total Care. We're always answering the inboxes and comments. Leave us a message. If you have any requests or any comments or questions, just hit us up, man. We're here for your help. Guys, again, hope this has been helpful to you guys. Again, this is Ron, the Credit Don. Peace.